Hold on, Lisa. Hope I have enough battery left here. This is Rebecca and Jesse, Rebecca's getting ready to be towed by Jesse. They're going to do a little skiing here in the snow. I hope Jesse doesn't get stuck. We got plowed a little while ago, but it's filling in already. Okay, there we go. Wow. This is a first for me. I've never seen anything quite like this. Awesome. This is December 19th, 2009, and Jesse's pulling Rebecca around the schoolyard there, you can see. Let's see if they come back this way. Let me get it stabilized here. So got a pretty good zoom going on here.